Hi, I'm Tim Holliday, and I'm going to show you how to cook pasta with salt. Things you will need: pasta, a large pot, a wooden spoon, salt, and a strainer. The first trick in cooking your pasta perfectly is to make sure you use enough water. Pasta needs a lot of water to cook, so use about 1.5 gallons of water for approximately every pound of pasta you're cooking. Salting the water is very important to keep the pasta from being overly bland. If you don't have sea salt, common table salt will do. Use approximately 2 tablespoons of salt to every 1.5 gallons of water. Before you add the pasta to the water, make sure the water is boiling at a very rapid pace. Once you add the pasta, stir it around in the water so that it cooks evenly and doesn't clump. Cook the pasta for around 10 minutes, or until pasta is tender. Remove the pasta from the heat and drain. And that's how you cook pasta with salt.